Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? We have started chapter number 2, plants and their system. Today we have to discuss the topic transporting food. Sugar is made in the leaves by the process of photosynthesis. This sugar mixes with water to form a strong sugar solution. This sugar solution is transported in the phloem tubes out of the leaves to the stem, where it may goes up to the growing shoots and down to the roots. The speed and the direction of movement of the sugar solution depends on how much sugar is needed by the parts of the plant and when. In spring, when the shoots are growing, most of the sugar solution goes to the growing shoots so as to provide energy for the growing shoot. And in autumn, a lot of sugar is stored, so it goes up to the fruits and seeds and down to the roots. The examples of the roots that have stored food are radish, carrot, beetroot, etc. Beta, this is a phloem cell. Phloem tubes are made up of living phloem cells that are joined end to end. You can see that this phloem cell is connected with this phloem cells, and in this way they form a long tube, and there are holes at the end of each phloem tubes so that sugar solution can easily pass through these holes. Sugar solution can pass up and down the plants through these holes at the same time. Our next topic is how sugar flows through a plant. Beta, this is the leaf, this is the upper epidermis of the leaf, this is the lower epidermis of the leaf, and in between the upper and lower epidermis there are photosynthetic tissues that contain chloroplast, and chloroplast contain chlorophyll, that is a green colored matter, and it absorbs sunlight that is required for the process of photosynthesis. Photo mean light and synthesis mean to make. This process is known as photosynthesis because it requires chlorophyll and sunlight for the process to go on. And you can see that there are stoma in the lower epidermis that are for the exchange of gases with the surrounding air. When sugar is prepared in this photosynthetic tissue, it dissolves in water to form the sugar solution, and this sugar solution This sugar solution goes to the stem, where it may be transported up to the growing shoot, where it is required for the process of respiration, and it also gives energy to the growing shoot, and it may go down to the root, where it is needed by the root to give it energy for the growth, and sugar is also stored in the root in the form of starch. Students, you can see that this green fly is feeding on the sugar that is inside the stem. Sugarcane is a thick tall grass that is growing in tropical or subtropical regions. At 15% of the weight of sugarcane plant is stored sugar. This is the diagram of the trunk of a plant, and the outermost layer is bark, and inside the bark there is the phloem tissue that contains sugar solution, and this is the sugar solution that is coming out of this phloem tubes. Student, next we have to do test yourself. Question number 1. Why do growing shoots need sugar? The answer will start from this line. Sugar is used to provide energy for growing shoots. Question number 2. Why do fruits taste sweet? The answer is fruits store sugar, that is why they taste sweet. Question number 3. Why are there holes in the ends of the phloem tubes? The answer is the holes let sugar solution to pass from one phloem cell to another phloem cell. Question number 4. Explain why the speed and the direction of sugar solution moving in the phloem change. The answer will start from this line. The speed and direction of movement of the sugar solution depends on how much is needed by the parts of the plant and when, up to this. Question number 5. Suggest and explain what happens to the movement of sugar in winter when a tree has no leaves. The answer is, in winter, when a plant has no leaves, the movement of sugar stops. The plant goes into hibernation. Number 6. In spring, sugar solution rises quickly up through the phloem in plant stems. Give a reason for this. The answer is, in spring, the sugar solution stored in the roots is used by the plant to start growing again. Thank you.